Welcome to the new stock taking feature included in Flowlens integrated CRM and MRP software. Designed for small equipment manufacturing and dealership businesses, Flowlens is here to save you time, and this new stock taking feature is no exception. You'll find the new feature under Stock and Stock Takes, and it makes it simple to update Flowlens with new stock levels anytime you do a stock take. All previous stock takes are listed here for future reference. The aim is to enable a stock take for one or more locations. You can input stock adjustments directly into Flowlens or import them in bulk. First, click on a new stock take. Give it a name or leave the date reference if you prefer. Choose the locations you wish to check, or select all. We now have a new screen for this stock take. Here it's possible to download printable count sheets, and depending on your preference you can choose sheets with expected counts, part names only, or blank location sheets. You can also create or assign tasks against the stock take, or upload a file or take a picture. Next, click on the stock take details. Here, you will make individual updates for the actual count of each part in the location. You can also add additional parts to the location if you've discovered them during the stock take. As we highlighted at the start, stock takes can also be uploaded in bulk. Firstly, download the count CSV for the location. Update the actual quantities. Please note, if a part has 0 items, do not delete the line. Update the actual quantity to 0. Please make sure you don't change the column headings or part names. Once complete, save the CSV. Click on Location Actions and upload your CSV. The system will update the part counts in the background. This may take a few moments, and you can refresh the counts to see the updated values. Whether you've done them individually or updated in bulk, you need to conclude the stock take for this location. Click on the Location Actions button and finalise count. This will adopt the new stock levels for the parts included in this location. Thanks for watching this Flowlens stock take video. Please email support@flowlens.com if you have any questions.